pants. Doll's on and have pants, guys. Here! Who got to now? Who got to now?
Don't tease her too much. Now give it to her.
Here. Oh. I'm gonna get you. Ooh, I know a way to trick her. Yeah, that's a good way. See who's got this blanket now. So easy to trick her. Who got this now? Who got to now? Who got to now, Miss Sass Pants? La 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 la. Okay. Oh, I forgot. You're on video. No, wait, that's not good enough. She's gonna like, oh, I gotta step blanket somehow. Oh, watch this. This is so funny. Oh, hi, honey. Let me tuck in bed now. And I got to carry you to bed. I will, she's like, what are you doing to me? Oh,